Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's a Smooth One and Smooth One Productions. You know what time it is. Let's see what's in the box. Hmm. It's something that I ordered off of Facebook Marketplace. I don't know what it's gonna hold, but it's I guess it's from, Japan or something like that. And I'm gonna check it out. This is what it is. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Long day at work. We have, this is the remote in the box. This is for your camera. I got plenty of those. Phone. We got, looks like the instructions and a USB-C or something like that. And we have the unit. We have the unit. I don't know if it's going to hold my camera. This is the main unit. Hold on here. This is what it is. It's supposed to tilt and pan and tilt and pan and tilt and pan. I'm going to give it a test out. Let's see. What do we have in here? There's a battery. There's some type of battery in here. And I guess I gotta find me a tripod to hook it up and hook the camera up and see what the thing actually does. Okay. So, I'm going to, with my main camera. My main camera is my Sony A7 IV. I'm gonna see if this thing holds it. Let's see, where's the release and all this stuff. I don't even know where that part is and how that part works. And hold on, the release plate and how to get the release plate off. And okay, the release plate is off. And I'm gonna screw this on the bottom of my camera. I don't know if I have the release plate on the correct way, but we're going to see. This is on my A7 IV. Okay. And I'm going to slide it up into the unit. Let's see. Slide, slide, slide. Okay, and I'm going to screw this piece in and lock the unit down. It's locked down. This part is the batteries, I guess. Okay, now I gotta find a tripod for it. This is the unit M4 pan and tilt. Okay. I gotta find something so the unit can sit up on. Ah, that's that. My tripod stuff. Okay. Uh, This is what I have. It's actually my monopod, but I'm gonna see what's up with it. Monopod. Maybe my other piece I want to use could be a little more. I'm gonna actually put it on my tripod. And hold on. This is my tripod. I want it stable. Let me flip the top piece off and switch it to the other unit. This is the monopod with legs, and this is the tripod. Screw it on the tripod. I don't know if the battery's charged or whatever. Open up the tripod. Bang. 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 Open up the legs a little more. Okay. Yeah. We have all three of them down. Hold on. Maybe I can just let it down on two. 1, 2, 3. Get so my camera can see it. Okay. Now, that's stable. Let's see. This is the head. This is the piece, and I'm gonna screw this on. Oh boy, I don't know if it's gonna do it. Okay, that's on there, and whoops, let's get it. Okay, so far, now, this is the remote part. What type of batteries do it hold? Double A or triple A? Looks like triple A. What was it? Double A? I got a bunch of double A's. Is it double A's or triple A? I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna find out in a second. Triple A's. Okay, we'll just try the triple A's from my remote control. Just test. Okay, that's one. And that's two. Which is which? Let's see. Okay, let's chip away. This goes in here. And that goes in there. Okay, I don't think it's not doing what I want it to do. And there. That's not strong enough. Okay, so what I'll do, since that doesn't want to work, okay, let me open this hatch up here. Okay, I gotta find my other piece. Ugh. AAA. AAA. Ah, ooh, I got a back cramp. Okay. I can't seem to find what I'm looking for. Blaze. Come on, man. Well, you know how that goes. You gotta find what you're looking for. Down. Okay, we have power. Okay. Okay, we have power, so what the heck happened? Hey man, it's working. Check this out. Check this out. It's working with my A7 IV. Got the pan and tilt. Check that out. Whoa. What? Smooth One Productions. And it's lit, baby. It's lit. Check this out. Look, it's a pan and tilt. Side to side. Yo, it's doing it. Okay, that's the end of it. This is a M4 pan and tilt. I ordered it off of Facebook Marketplace, and you see it. You see it. You see it. It's gonna help me tremendously. Wow. That's cool. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.